Welcome back students, myself Vishal Pandey, and today, as I have told you, we are starting First World War and the Russian Empire. How it was associated, how Russia was associated by the First World War, and what were the impacts of the war on Russia and the people of Russia. Everything we will be discussing in this video. As far as the First World War is concerned, as you all are aware that the First World War started in the year 1914. As I told you in my previous videos and previous virtual classes, that 1905 was a turbulent revolution in the history of Russia and Russian Empire. So in 1914, First World War was fought at global level. In the year 1914 itself, the First World War initiated, and it created a disastrous situation not only in Europe but also throughout the globe. It began between two European alliances. If you talk about the world wars, you should know about it, that who were the countries who have participated in this particular war, directly or indirectly. So it has been divided in two such a parts. The first one, the central power, in central power, Germany, Austria and Turkey was there, and France, Britain and Russia was the second part, or the opposition, who fought against Germany, Austria and Turkey. Later on, to accompany France, Britain and Russia, Italy and Romania as well as United States of America also joined the war. And because of United States of America joined the war, these group, the second group, which is France, Britain and Russia, won the war, and the central power loses the war. Why? What were the reasons? Everything we will be discussing in this video itself. War was popular in Russia and the people supported Tsar Nicholas II. Because Russia was directly involved in the war, because of that, when Russia won the war, Tsar Nicholas II, the king of Russia, was appreciated by the people of Russia. Citizens of Russia appreciated his king, and they were praising his courage, his activities, his decision making qualities. Everything was at its pinnacle. If you talk about the war, in the first phase of the war, Russia was lagging behind very badly. But altogether, at the end of the day, Russia won the war. So, if you talk about defeat of Russian army, as I told you earlier, that Russia was in very bad situation when the war started in 1914. Because if you see the geographical background of Europe, since Germany is there in the center, but Russia was very badly impacted by war between 1914 to 1916. Let us move towards the next slide and try to understand many more things. There were over 7 million Russian casualties by 1917. Now you can imagine that how hazardous situation was that, how dangerous situation was that war started in 1914 until 1917 there were 7 million of Russian people who had died. What do you mean by casualties? Casualties means death. Similarly, the Russian army destroyed crops and buildings to prevent the enemy from being able to live off the land. Russian army was trying very hard to get the laurels over Germany and Austria, but unfortunately there many soldiers died because of the war. And if you talk about the situation dishonored the government. When the people are dying, they are living their life, how Tsar Nicholas II can be appreciated? As I told you earlier that he was appreciated at the last when Russia won the war, but in between when the war started, Russia was lacking behind. At that time people were criticizing Tsar Nicholas II, क्योंकि जब तक आप जीतते नहीं हैं, जब आप लड़ रहे होते हैं, उस समय आपको क्रिटिसाइज़ किया जाता है, लेकिन जब आप जीतते हैं तो दुनिया आपकी तारीफ़ करती है. दैट वॉज द सेंस हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. Let us talk about the impact of the war, how it was associated with Russia. The war had severe impact on industry. War का सबसे ज़्यादा impact कहाँ था? इंडस्ट्री पे था. आज हम यहीं तक डिस्कस करेंगे चीज़ों को, अगले वीडियो में मैं इसके आगे भी बताऊंगा. थैंक यू.